Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you the best online PDF solution platform for free. Go to your browser and search I love PDF. Go to the first link. Every tool you need to work with PDFs in one place. Every tool you need to use PDFs at your fingertips. All are 100% free. See here the All tool. Let's check if it is working or not. Let's try to convert PDF to Word. Click Select PDF File. Click Convert to Word. Click Download Word. See, it's converted successfully and working well. Let's try to merge PDF file. Click Select PDF Files. Click Merge PDF. Click Download Merged PDF. See, it's merged PDF successfully and working well. Let's try to protect PDF file. Select PDF file. Set a password to protect your PDF. Click Protect PDF. Click Download Protected PDFs. See, it's protected successfully and working well. That's it. Enjoy. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and share my videos with your friends. Thank you.